to just have you trip 320, and today I'm going to float fish. It's 13.5 feet deep, nearly 14 feet just in front of me. I'm using a dendra on a size 16 micro barb. So we go. I've moved. I was fishing just there, the other side of that tree. And it's like 13.5 foot there. But I didn't like the fact that this washed out tree, it's been there years, but it goes off somewhere down there. So I'm behind it. But being behind it, got worried about that. But look at that for a nice bit of cover for chub and perch. And obviously the stripes on the perch up against those reeds. Right, I've moved you right down a bit because it's windy. You probably can't hear me, but lob on. See that kingfisher? It come right out of there. I hope that's on camera. We both scared each other. Camera don't want me to show that there's an aeroplane with no spraying one with, con trails in inverted commas.
Well then. What are you doing? Oh God.
Well, I haven't blanked, but I didn't get to show you me catching it. Little roach. Not a little roach. Nice hand-sized roach. And back there. There he is. Yeah, hopefully I catch a fish on film, or else I won't do the video. Oh, that was typical. I was just putting my phone on charge, and my mate was like, "You got a bite?" And I did actually have it. First bite all day on a full lobworm, and that was a roach, which you saw. You didn't see me catch it. He's gone already because he's freezing. That just shows you what the weather is like today. It looks all right on the video, but honestly, it's southwesterly, so it's not a cold wind, but it goes through you, like I've said before. But I reckon I'll get another fish yet, so let's put them on. Thought that was another bite then. Could have been. It's not the biggest perch, but it's a lovely looker. Look at it. If that was your pet, you'd be like really happy with that. Look at its fin on my finger. Really nice. Let's put straight back. Oh well, I've got to pack up. I've got to go meet my old man for a pint. And it's been such a quiet day. I do think I would have caught another chub, or not another chub, a chub in this swim. But I didn't, and never mind. Hopefully next time. Thanks very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you again next time, maybe. Bye.